Microcontroller is a true computer on a chip. The design incorporates all of the features found in microprocessor, CPU, ALU, PC, stack pointer register. It has also added other features needed to make complete computer: ROM, RAM, parallel input output, serial input output, counter, and clock circuit. Like the microprocessor and microcontroller is a general purpose device, but one which is meant to fetch data, perform limited calculations on that data, and control its environment based on those calculations. The prime use of a microcontroller is to control operation of a machine using fixed program that is stored in ROM and that does not change over lifetime of the system. The design approach of a microcontroller mirrors that of a microprocessor. Make a single design that can be used in as many applications as possible in order to sell hopefully as many as possible. The microprocessor design accomplishes this goal by having a very flexible and extensive report tier of multi-byte instructions. These instructions work in hardware configuration that enables large amount of memory and input output to be connected to address and data bus pins on integrated circuit package. Much of the activity in the microprocessor has to do with moving code and data words to from external memory to the CPU. The architecture features working registers that can be programmed to take part in memory access process.